Hey everyone, so today I I really wanted to film a video where I wanted to see if, okay, so I did that transformation video and I honestly, like, in my mind, I think I look good, like, I think I look like a girl, but I'm wondering, like, am I passable? Like, am I really passable? Like, can I really do this? So in today's video, I'm going to be putting my Tinder profile as me as a girl. So okay, so I'm just gonna start screen recording on my phone. I don't know if I can do this, like I really don't know if I can do this, so I'm gonna try. So I'm just gonna start screen recording and I really don't know how the fuck I'm gonna edit this either. Like I don't know how to put in like other clips into one video. So this is gonna be like a whole new learning process. So we're gonna start off with a name. My first name is, I'm gonna go with Madison, because like Madison Montgomery, like yeah. Birthday, I'm gonna do my real birthday, so I am a woman. My sexual orientation is show me men. My school name is Gib. Add photos. Okay, so let's, I'm really gonna only add 2. Why do I keep burping? I'm really only gonna add 2 because there's only like 2 photos of me that I actually look good in. So that's like, so this is the first photo, then this is the second one. So the problem is there are a lot of like people in my town who know who I am. So I don't know if this will like there's probably gonna be some people who are like, I think I'm gonna buy Tinder Gold just for this video. Oh my god, 2 guys have already liked me. Oh my god, do I have to blur out their faces? I'm like, am I really that dedicated enough to blur out somebody's face? This guy's name is Ty. Okay. 67 miles away. Hey, who's this other guy? Gabriel? 20. Okay, I'll like his profile just so I can message him. Oh my god, this is oh my god, I'm just gonna say hey. I'm just gonna say hey and see what happens. I'm gonna message all of them. Hey Gabrielle, what's good? This bitch got a dick! Oh my god, Ty already messaged back. I'm gonna say, what's up? You're cute. Oh my god, I've never done this before. Oh my god. I bet they're gonna be like, what's your Snapchat? And I'm gonna be like, I don't give it out at first. I'm just gonna wait. Getting ready for a shower. Ooh, oh. I'm gonna say, haha, nice. Let me join. Hey guys, so today's video is sponsored by Poshmark. I'm actually like, you want a sponsor? But yeah, if you haven't heard of Poshmark, basically it is a super dope website for selling anything, anywhere from clothes to even now home goods. Whenever I'm cleaning out my closet, I love to throw some of my stuff up on there. You can also find amazing deals on Poshmark from thousands of different brands and stuff. Some of them even have to have up to 70% off. They also just launched home good products on there. So basically like bedding, like mattresses, everything. And they even have luxury brands on there that are complimentary authentication for anything over $500. So like for example, I bought this Chanel brush holder, as you can see, and I actually bought it on Poshmark, and because it was over $500, they had the authentication thing on there, so I knew I wasn't getting scammed. And if you do end up buying anything from my Poshmark page, be sure to just share it with me on Instagram. I'll probably be throwing in some makeup products for free in there that I haven't used yet, some really dope products. If you guys want to just order from my site, I'll be giving away that. And honestly, a lot of the clothes in there that I have, because I have like a lot of clothes that I don't use, I'll honestly just throw on there for super cheap or even free, just because like I don't need the money, and like maybe just have you guys pay for shipping or something. But yeah, be sure to download Poshmark and use the link in my description. It would mean a lot to me. Your boy doesn't get many sponsors. Be sure to check them out, and now on to the video. How did they not know I'm a dude? Like, I feel like I look like a guy. Why is it not letting me like swipe left and right on people? This is kind of like annoying. Come on. Can you send pictures on? His name is Welder at blank. I can't read that. He's a man. He lives 67 miles away. Just kind of roll with the flow. Shameless, The Office, and anything Ryan Reynolds. Okay, so he has a personality of like a board. Come on it. What do I say to that? He's typing. He said, come on in. And I'm gonna say, I'm mean with like the winky face. I'm gonna say, I'm mean, and then I'm gonna say, make me. This is just gonna be like a video of me like sexting people. Oh my god, 8 likes. Oh, oh my god. Hey Tyler, message me, get to know me. I wanna know your dick. I don't wanna know you, bitch. So I'm gonna see what I can do with the people that I have liked. I'm gonna message Tyler and say hey with 5 Y's, meaning like, hey, I want your like 9-inch cock in me. He messaged me first. He goes, hey beautiful, how are you? That's all you. I don't really know. I'm gonna drop my phone. I don't really know what the point of this video is. Besides like just fucking with people, which is like kind of like rude. But But like, I feel like this is more so just for like me. Like this is just like funny. Like I don't know. Like I find this. Like I don't know. I just find this like really funny. Like the fact that I'm passable enough to get this many people like on my ass right now. What do I say back to Ty? Oh my god! What do I say back to Ty? Oh my god, wait. This is like not funny and I'm probably gonna get some backlash for this. But what if I like got these guys on Snapchat and then like really like tried? Like what if I like got them on Snapchat and like really sent them like booty pics and shit? Cause like my ass is passable. Like my ass is thick whenever I take like nudes. So like Ty's typing, but I already got 14 more likes. Oh my god, there's so many hot guys and I'm like, I'm kind of like shook. The gauge is a fine. Wait, no, he's ugly, never mind. Why are there like so many guys hitting me up? Is this what it's like to be a girl? Like you can really get anybody. Okay, but I'm sorry, if you're, Gerardo, if you're posting pictures of your tattoo as your fucking saver, like your main picture, like you're boring. Like stop. Like you're never gonna get pussy doing that. How do I flip that around? I used to catfish guys or whatever, like when I was like actually like not as like a girl, I would just like actually catfish guys. Like I need to figure out like what did I used to say to them to like get them to send first. So this dude named Merrick replied and he has like one of those like square things that you put on like a, what is that table where you have like the stick and the balls and you like hit it and like it has like the triangle thing that you like arrange the balls with or whatever? Pool table. He's like a pool table ball around his head with a jewel in his mouth and a beer in his hand, shirtless, with a rag over his head. So I mean like, he's honestly a winner. Let me message him. Stop, I'm actually starting to feel bad. They literally believe it. They literally believe it so hard. Wait, Merrick said, hold up. Wait, oh my god, wait. What is he gonna clock me? Is he gonna clock me? Let's see if Merrick clocks me. I need to pee really bad. I think I'm gonna go pee and come right back. Hold on. Okay, so Merritt literally blocked me. And I don't know, the one who said hold up, I don't know if that's because he figured out who I was or he like realized I was like a dude. Like I'm like kind of confused. Ty goes, well, I'm not gonna tell you I'm hung like a mule. No, the fuck you're not. You're a white boy. I don't think it's biggest, but it's honest for sure. And I'm gonna say prove it. I just got clocked so hard. And I just want to ask, are you a trans woman or just really good with your makeup? Haha. What do I say to this? What do I say to this? I don't know what the purpose of this video is because I feel like I'm gonna get attacked if I get nudes out of people, right? Like, is that bad? Because it's like, they're the ones wanting to and they saw what I looked like. So, okay, so I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do for like the selfie part. So I'm gonna look back on the selfies that I have taken with the like wig on or whatever. And I'm gonna look at those. Okay, so this is like the only one I have. I'm gonna like see what I can do with that one. I'm literally gonna FaceTune it on camera with y'all. Should I pull up a picture of a girl instead who like looks like me? He said selfie please. Okay. Let's see what the I literally look like a man in a wig. Oh my fuck. Okay. I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna fucking send it. I'm gonna fucking send it. Oh, it didn't send. Hold on. I'm gonna fucking send it. I'm gonna look it. I'm gonna send it. He's gonna like reverse image search my face and find me on Instagram. Okay, I'm gonna send it. Okay, I sent it. He's so gonna puke. He's literally gonna puke because I look so bad on that. It's literally not funny. Like, it's not funny. He's like one of you now. Does he like not know I'm a fucking man? Wait, should I go put on the wig and like text him? Hold the fuck on. So we're gonna do this right here, right the fuck now. Okay. I'm literally gonna put on this wig and I'm gonna send him a goddamn selfie and see what he says. I feel like if you're on the internet, you're in the free roam to get catfished. Like, right? Like, this isn't that bad. Like, here's my selfie. He's gonna be like, why are you wearing black He's gonna be like, why are you wearing black lipstick with like blue contacts? Like, are you on crack? I didn't even like Photoshop my nose to be smaller. He's gonna be like, you're literally a man. What's up, sexy? Not much. I go, LMAO, you like Trippy? We fucked. He goes, don't believe it, but if we fuck, that'll make him and I come bucket buddies. I'm catfishing people as me right now, and this guy wants to FaceTime. Should I FaceTime him?
Yes.
Like, just like this.
Right fucking now.
Like, right now?
You just say your name's Ava Louise.
I said my name was Madison Montgomery! This, literally no one's clocked me! Not a single fucking human being in my state has clocked me yet.
No, oh my god, literally do it. Literally do it. FaceTime him. Do it.
But when he's like, let me see your pussy. Like,
no, don't. Just be like, no, I don't know what to do. Just hang up. Be like, that's weird.
You're fucking weird. After I asked to see his dick.
Yeah, literally.
Should I actually do it for the YouTube video?
Yes, and then blur it out.
I sound like a man!
Okay,
look at this. Like, look at this wig. Okay, so I took off the wig and my friend sent me her nudes to use for this YouTube video, and I'm gonna have to blur them out. But the guy's like, let me see this ass. So I sent him an ass picture of like my friend. And I just can't FaceTime the guy. I would want to for the video, but I can't do that. Okay, so now that I feel like I've like gotten like enough guys to like reply to me or whatever. And I just don't think I can literally like, I can't FaceTime that guy. I cannot FaceTime that guy at all. Like, everyone's telling me to do it. I just don't think I have the balls to do it. Like, that would make the video really funny. But, like, I don't think I can do it. Like, I really just don't think I can do it. Because, like, I sound like a man, and it's going to be so embarrassing. It's going to be so fucking embarrassing. I cannot do it. Like, I literally cannot do it. Unless my friend was here right now. I think I should call her on my computer. No, I can't. I can't do it. I cannot do it. Because it's like I'm literally wasting his time even more, and it's just like, so I sound like a man, like I sound like I have a dick. So that's why this is hard. The guy who replied to the trans thing goes, of course, that's what Christ calls us to do. I don't hate you for being a human. You've only been kind. I appreciate how open and nice you are. Oh, like I actually want to fuck him now. No, but like, I hope this, like, I'm just like, this was more so for me to figure out, like, yo, am I passable as a fucking girl? Like, can I do this shit? And honestly, honestly, the whole point of this video was just to see if I could pass as a girl. And I honestly think I, like, low-key can. Like, not, like, actually IRL. Like, I couldn't over FaceTime. I don't think I could. Like, I don't know. Like, I don't know. I just don't think I could over FaceTime and stuff like that. But I know I could, like, through, like, Tinder and shit. Like, pictures, yeah, but, like, not, like, actually. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, I guess, me trolling people. I don't really know. I just could not FaceTime that dude. Like, I'm sorry. Like, I tried. I, like, went my hardest, but I just couldn't FaceTime him. Like, I really could not FaceTime him. Like, that was just too much pressure in, like, one time period. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up down below if you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe down below as well. Follow my Instagram as Ethanisupreme, as well as my Twitter is Trash Queen Ethan, as well as my Snapchat, Trash Queen Ethan. So yeah, be sure to follow me on all that. I hope you guys aren't like too pressed over the fact that like I really finessed some nudes out of these boys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I really just wanted to like see what I could do on Tinder. Like I wanted to see if I could pass, and apparently I can. So hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to follow me down below. My Instagram is Ethanisupreme, as well as my Twitter is Trash Queen Ethan, as well as my Snapchat. Okay, so I'm gonna go. I love you guys so much. Bye. Be sure to subscribe. So because I have the worst luck in the world, my SD card with my Poshmark video on it was corrupted. So, but what I was gonna say in the original video was be sure to download Poshmark using the link in my description. Again, if you haven't already, the app is super amazing. You guys should definitely check it out. Again, just use the link in my description. Alrighty, adios, bye again.